Hi and welcome back. We are so excited to show you guys some of these new products and also some brand new releases from one of our favorite companies. Some of these items are going to be used for some upcoming videos and tutorials. So if there are any that you guys would like to see us take a closer look at, let us know in the comments and we'll get to those first. And we'll also be setting some of these products aside for a contest at the end of this video, so stay tuned for how to be entered to win. Okay, let's get into the first package. This came in from Archer & Olive. For those who don't know, they are a stationery shop that carries really good quality dotted grid notebooks and stationery accessories. We have reviewed their notebooks before, and we have a full review video which I'll link below. All of the designs are made from the owner Bonnie's hand-drawn creations, and they're really unique and special. This is their new blackout dotted grid notebook, and it has the same 160 GSM paper, which is super thick and nice to draw on. So we're going to be using this one here for some upcoming journal spread videos. And as soon as we get in some good gel pens to use for this black paper, we'll get those up for you guys. And then their white dotted grid notebook, which comes in this beautiful box, which is so nice because then you can just tuck your journal into it when your year is completed. So we'll put this one here in the giveaway for one of you guys to try. Next, we have a kit from Grow & Make. And these kits are so much fun to use. We worked with Grow & Make before and we've used their soap making kits and also their bath bomb making kit. We have the soap making kit review up on our channel and the bath bomb making kit review on our website if you guys want to take a look. This one here has everything you'll need to make your own handmade scrubs at home, and their kits have super easy directions. So we'll definitely put this into the giveaway so one of you guys can have some fun making your own scrubs too. If you go to the Grow & Make website, they have a really great blog with a ton of DIY ideas and easy tutorials, so check that out when you get a chance. Now, if you love making your own dried flowers for crafting, then you're gonna love this. This is the MICROFLEUR flower press. And if you make dried flowers for card making or jewelry, decoupage, or resin, so many uses, then you might like this a lot, because you can make dried flowers in just minutes. This kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. And how it works is you collect your flowers, arrange them on the fabric liner, and then you put it all back together in this press, and then you microwave it. And the liner that it comes with is reusable and also washable. So we are going to set this aside and show you exactly how it works in a separate video. So we can't wait to try this press out and give you guys a closer look at this, and we'll have that up on our channel. Now this came in from a handmade seller. This shop owner makes gorgeous handmade pottery and ceramics, and if you go to their Etsy shop, you'll see some beautiful bowls and trays. Everything in their shop is handmade from scratch, so each piece is truly unique and one of a kind. If you're looking for a special gift idea, you're definitely going to find something in their shop. They have really great feedback too and lots of repeat customers, so definitely check them out. And we'll put one of these in the giveaway for you guys. And just look how gorgeous. Those colors are amazing. And I'll give you guys a closer look here. We're always on the lookout for different Etsy shops that we can feature and show on our channel. So if you have a shop and would like to be featured, then drop your Etsy link below in the comments and we'll check it out. And we have another Etsy seller to show you. This shop made our list of the best handmade soap shops on Etsy. And it's a family-run business and they make all of their soap from scratch. If you love olive oil soaps or whipped soap, and love to smother yourself in body butter, then definitely head on over to their shop and take a look at what they have available. I wish you guys could smell how amazing this is right now. These are their grapefruit Bellini soap bars, and they smell so good. And we'll put one of these bars in the giveaway, so one of you will be able to try this out. And now something pretty exciting and a new announcement. We are collaborating with CUISINART on a brand new series that we're working on right now. They sent us their spice grinder. And this is going to be used for some upcoming videos on how to make your own spices right at home. So we have some easy DIYs and tutorials coming up for that. We are going to be starting with how to make your own ginger powder and onion powder and more. So if you have a suggestion, let us know in the comments. We can't wait to get these videos up for you. They're going to be really great. Okay, and another super special announcement here from SCULPEY. You are about to see the very first sneak peek of some brand new products. This is a silicone mold that can be used with their liquid SCULPEY, and this mold will make 6 different types of designs. And then these new pastels look amazing. We're definitely going to be doing some DIYs and tutorials with these pastels. and this is SCULPEY's Confetti Liquid Polymer Clay, and it looks like it could be a lot of fun to use. So these ones are available right now. And then coming up later this summer are their brand new liquid SCULPEY colors. So all of you polymer clay fans will have this to look forward to when they release them in July of this year. And we've worked with SCULPEY before and really love how easy their products are to use. We have a ring dish tutorial on our channel, and I'll leave that link below if you guys want to check that out. These can be used in so many different ways. You can make jewelry, magnets, just all kinds of wonderful things with their liquid polymer clay. And we'll definitely be setting some of these aside in the giveaway, so one of you guys will be able to try these out. We've spent many enjoyable hours using polymer clay, so we are super excited about these. And this is what we're going to put into the giveaway for you guys. One of you will be able to try the new confetti, you'll get to try the translucent amber and navy metallic, and also the jewelry molds. So you'll definitely have some fun using these. Now, this is a company that we found, and they were kind enough to send us some products to try when we reached out to them. This is MARSEILLE'S Remedy, and they sent us over some essential oil, some all-natural bug spray, and then some Thieves Oil Balm. And these are made with organic ingredients that are chemical-free. I did get into the essential oil already, and the smell, you guys, is amazing. So we will put these 2 items in the giveaway for you. We got in some more stencils in from Alex Melnick, and they have a huge selection on Amazon. Their stencils can be used in your bullet journals or for card making. There's just so many uses for stencils. And this set here comes with a ton of designs. Now they also have metal stencils too. So if you're into etching or wood burning, you can check those out as well. This whole set is going straight into the giveaway for you guys. And now we are about to show you some amazing markers right from Germany. These are, I'm so excited about this, the STYLEFILE markers. They are some of the highest quality alcohol markers, and they're right up there in terms of quality with Copics. If you're into anime or card making, or just love to sit back and create and color, then you're gonna love these. These 2 sets are gonna be featured in their own swatching video, so you can see how they can be used and also the exact colors and tip sizes. So if you love markers and wanna see a closer look at these 2 sets before purchasing, we'll start filming that video for you right away. And that concludes this video. So here's what we're gonna be putting into this giveaway. To be entered, leave a comment below. Tell us what your favorite product is. And we would love a follow on our social media. So if you follow and like all of our links that are posted below, we'll enter you twice. Full contest rules are right on our website. Good luck everyone, and see you next time. Have a wonderful day.